Hello, everyone. Welcome again to another episode. And today we're going to make this simple but yet delicious guacamole, which is very creamy, as you can see. We're going to need about 6 ripe avocados, just some lemon and some salt. And that is it, guys. So, first off, go to the supermarket, choose your avocados, tell the produce guy to choose them for you. If you don't know how to, they will gladly help you. Then we're gonna take a knife and we're gonna cut them in half. And you are really gonna be surprised because this recipe is so simple and very delicious to make. So we're gonna take out the pits of the avocados and we're going to place our pulp of the avocado into the blender. Here we have our avocados. Well, actually, we have the luck here in Mexico. Avocado is pretty cheap. And probably you will buy 6 avocados for less than $1. So, what can I say, friends? It's good for us, but I know in the US it's kind of expensive, but it's gonna be well worth it. I just added a little bit of salt and I'm going to add the lime or the juice of 1 lime, and you're going to try to make your best to don't add nothing else, just with the blender. Keep blending until you have it like this. Okay, here I have a scraper and I'm going to turn it off, turn it on, and then just pour it in a container. And that is it, guys. It's very simple to make, but you can see that color. It's just so amazing, and just the flavor. You have to try it with some nachos, with some tacos, quesadilla, whatever you guys like. And I'm very happy to tell you guys that I will be uploading more often material because I have abandoned you guys, but what can I say? Here my life in Mexico, it's pretty. I have a lot of work. You won't imagine the amount of work I have, but I'm gonna try to keep uploading more often. And well, this is how my husband decorated it, but this doesn't need too much decoration. I mean, just with the flavor is just amazing. And I hope to read your comments. Remember to like this video, share this with your friends. Here I am preparing a burrito. And I hope we see you next time. Have a great day and keep watching the channel. Bye.